Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. The Heartland. For some, this may be flyover country. However, it is a section of the United States that contains some of the most productive farmland in the world. Not to mention a culture rooted in economic self-sufficiency and agricultural life. Today, we are traveling to a manufacturer in the epicenter of the Midwest, Heartland Ag Systems. Here they spend every day committed to solving agricultural retailers and farmers' toughest fertilizer and chemical application challenges. While other equipment distributors have several lines of products, Heartland Ag Systems is solely focused on one thing: your application needs. They're the largest Case IH application equipment distributors in North America. However, what sets them apart is they are manufacturers themselves, which allows them to offer the most comprehensive portfolio in the industry. The Heartland Ag Systems equipment team has been working to make application equipment solutions faster, more reliable, and safer since 1965. Every day they work to solve your application needs so you can achieve the full potential every season brings. Over the past 5 decades, Heartland Ag Systems has scaled their business to better support yours. With more than 270 employees at 9 locations across the Midwest and a full mobile service and field support team, they're committed to keep you up and running. When you need proven real-time application solutions, they're the only partner you need. Visit Heartland Ag Systems at heartlandag.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.